Hello my lovies and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. It is almost Mother's Day and I have a fantastic brunch idea for you that I want to share. It is, I don't know the name of this. There isn't a specific name that I have ever come across that would indicate what this is. I have just a couple of croissants here that I'm going to place some scrambled eggs, some hollandaise, and some salmon, some smoked salmon on and heat it up. It tastes absolutely fabulous. And then of course I have a pairing with that. It will be a mimosa. I think everyone knows how to make a mimosa, but super quick, super easy. And this, the difficulty level on this, I would say on a scale of 1 to 5 would probably be about a 4, just because of the homemade hollandaise sauce. You can of course go out and purchase a little packet, one of those pre-packaged packets, and then you just add like milk or water or whatever. I think I made one of those years ago, back before I had the gluten intolerance. Anyways, those croissants are from Lemonade Bakery here in Vancouver. They are on Cambie St, and I will link all of their information below. They are a gluten-free bakery. Thank you so much. I so appreciate you guys. I believe that is the only place that we can get croissants that are gluten-free here in Vancouver, so super grateful to you guys. Okay. Oh, if you are not a subscriber, please hit that little subscribe button at the bottom of the screen there and hit the notification bell. That will let you know the next time I upload a video. Follow me on all my social media. I will link that all below. I will also have the recipe for absolutely everything that I do in my description box. So yeah, that information will be there, so you don't have to furiously write down anything that I'm saying. All right, let's start off with the easiest part of this, the scrambled eggs. All I'm going to do is, because we have 2 croissants there, I am going to make 2 eggs per croissant. Okay, I can't speak. So 4 eggs in total. I'll just go ahead and tilt my camera down and let you see my process. So we have the 4 eggs, and whenever I'm making my scrambled eggs, I like to add milk. I use almond milk, and this is the unsweetened vanilla, 30 calories per serving. And I just like to count as I pour 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's about 4 tablespoons of the milk. Okay, so I have my burner on, I've got my butter in my pan, and just quickly letting that melt. And I'll just start to move the eggs around. And before they start to cook too much, I'll add my salt and pepper. I like a lot of pepper. Okay, so for this hollandaise sauce, I have 4 egg yolks. Then I'm going to whisk in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of room temperature water, now I have some water over here on my stove that is just simmering, it's just below boiling. I'm going to use a glove and hold on to my and make sure that it doesn't ever touch the water, and just whisk it until it doubles in size.
Five hours later.
Okay, now we will add a half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter of a teaspoon of pepper, that is fresh cracked pepper, and then because I like it spicy, I've got 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now, I've already got 8 tablespoons of butter over to the side here that I have melted. I will just slowly add this. And we want to make sure that it does not separate. I've got a bowl of ice water over to the side, just in case. This is looking amazing. That is looking absolutely incredible, and I do believe we are ready to plate and serve. So I'll get my plates ready and I'll be back in just a sec. All right, so these have been sitting in the oven for just a little while, which will have just put a nice warmth to my salmon, kept the eggs warm. Nobody likes cold eggs. And then I'll just drizzle my hollandaise sauce over top. And to garnish, I'll just add a couple of capers. That adds a nice salty flavor. All right, so I have a 375 ml bottle of Veuve Clicquot champagne, and I'm just gonna quickly open this up and make a mimosa for you. And remember, when you're opening up champagne, hold the cork and twist the bottom. Don't ever twist the top. Woo, it's a party. All right, I always keep glasses in my freezer, so this is beautifully frosted. I will start out with just a little bit of orange juice. Shake this up just to make sure. I don't think it has any pulp in it, but I like to just make sure that it's gonna taste like orange juice. So just a little bit of orange juice in the bottom. And then top that off with the champagne. There we have our beautiful morning mimosa. I know that if I were to be served this in bed, I am not a mother, but I know how hard I work, and I know how hard my mother has worked throughout her life. Thank you, Mom. I love you. You are an amazing lady, and if I can even be half the woman that you are at your age, I tip my hat off to you. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope that this is something that you might want to make for your mother. Our mothers are so special. If they weren't here, we wouldn't be here. So yeah, let's give our mom just a little bit of extra love. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video.